how to clock in and clock out via the employee self-service website. So first up, we want to go to Setup, Employee Access, and we want to assign our employee to be able to clock in or clock out. Here we have several options for clocking in and clocking out. We'll go through each option, starting first with the most simple option, clock in/out. With this option, we have the one button to clock either in or out. And to do that, I click on the button here, then I hit clock in/out, and then it says successfully accepted scan. And if this was my first clock for the day, that would be an in. And then when I leave later in the day, I hit the same button, clock in/out, and it will say successfully accepted scan. And if that's my second scan for the day, that will then become the out. Once I'm finished with interacting on the employee self-service, I can then log out and it will log me out of the system. Next, we have the option for clock in and clock out as separate buttons. With this option, it makes the buttons separated. So to clock in, I hit clock in, then I hit clock in to confirm, and the system will report back to me that it successfully accepted the scan. And then to clock out, I hit clock out, hit the clock out again, and confirm that the system tells me it accepted. Then when I'm done, I hit log out. Then we have the option for clock in and clock out adjust time. With this option, I can hit clock in. It will then ask the time that I clocked in at, and will allow for a comment. Then it will say successfully accepted scan at the time I entered.